Ipiales, a charming town nestled in the highlands of Colombia, is home to one of the most remarkable religious sites in South America, the Las Lajas Sanctuary. This breathtaking basilica, perched dramatically on the edge of a gorge, offers a captivating blend of architectural beauty, spiritual significance, and natural wonder. The Las Lajas Sanctuary, a stunning Gothic revival structure, is renowned not only for its intricate design but also for the miraculous stories associated with it. According to local legend, the Virgin Mary appeared to a mother and daughter at the site in the mid-18th century, leading to the construction of the sanctuary. The basilica's facade, adorned with elaborate carvings and ornate details, pays homage to both its spiritual importance and the dedication of the faithful who contributed to its creation. The setting of the sanctuary is equally mesmerizing, as it spans a picturesque gorge with a river flowing below. The Puente del Humilatero, a footbridge connecting the sanctuary to the opposite side of the canyon, offers panoramic views and photo opportunities that capture the stunning juxtaposition of architectural grandeur and natural beauty. Ipiales, the town that hosts the sanctuary, is a charming destination in its own right. Visitors can explore the town's colonial architecture, vibrant markets, and local eateries that offer a taste of Colombian cuisine. The town's friendly atmosphere and warm hospitality make it a delightful place to experience local culture and traditions. For those seeking outdoor adventures, the surrounding region offers opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and exploring the Andean landscapes. The beauty of the Colombian highlands is showcased in the Cueva de los Guachros National Natural Park, where visitors can explore caves, spot unique wildlife, and immerse themselves in the lush natural surroundings. Ipiales is conveniently located near the border with Ecuador, making it a potential stop for travelers on their way between the two countries. Its unique combination of cultural, spiritual, and natural attractions makes it a must-visit destination for those seeking a deeper connection to Colombia's rich heritage and breathtaking landscapes. In essence, Ipiales and the Las Lajas Sanctuary offer a soul-stirring journey that blends religious devotion, architectural marvel, and natural splendor. Whether it's marveling at the intricacies of the sanctuary, taking in the breathtaking views, exploring the town's charm, or immersing in the surrounding nature, Ipiales invites travelers to embark on a pilgrimage of the heart and senses in a setting that resonates with the sacred and sublime.